To remove SIM card from the Redmi A5, all you simply have to do is just grab your Redmi, and on the left side of the phone you can find this SIM tray, and from here you have to grab the SIM tool which comes included with your phone, and from here insert this pin into the pinhole right here, put it in, push it all the way in until you feel the resistance, and there's no way to push it all the way from here, and from there you have to actually push until the SIM tray ejects, just like this. And here, as you can see, we have the SIM tray, and you can grab it. Even though we have short nails, you can grab it with no problem and take it out just like this. After you do this, all you simply have to do is just you can grab the SIM card from the bottom, because like it is loose, so you can grab it from the bottom, or you can just like flip upside down the SIM tray and the SIM card will just simply fall off. And that is basically how to do this. That is how to remove the SIM card from your Redmi A5.